Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to go. I'm going to answer the my third assignment, which is job interview. So I'm gonna do disclaimer first. So this is a project, not a real thing. Yeah, let's do it. First question is, tell me about yourself, which is myself. My name is Afra Masarjansha. I'm 17 years old from Cikarang. I am a software engineer student with a strong focus on software engineering, mobile and web development. Over past years, I've learned Flutter, Laravel, and etc. Recently, I earned a technical certification from decoding to solidify my skill. I enjoy taking a concept like the mobile cafe page I developed called Bingo and turn a functional digital experience. And now I'm looking to apply my technical foundation in a professional internship environment. The second question is, why do I want to work here? Maybe I'll answer. I've been following your company's growth, particularly how you handle an error. As someone who values clean UI UX and efficient backend logic, I want to work in an environment that pushes the boundaries of Indonesian tech. I believe my experience with Dart, Flutter, and PHP ecosystem align perfectly with the tools your team uses. Third question is, what are your strengths and weakness? My greatest strength is my technical adaptability, whether it's shifting from front end design to cloud infrastructure like AWS or switching from web to mobile development. I can pick up new documentations quickly and apply them to solve immediate problems. And my weakness, sometimes I get too caught up in a small detail of a UI layout, like switch dark light mode, which can slow me down. To manage this, I've started setting strict time box limits for design tasks to ensure stay on track with the overall project deadline. I know this is quite not good, but yeah, let's see how it goes by the time. And the fourth question is, what can you describe a challenge you face it at work and how you handle it? Um, while working on a recent project, I encountered myself a major fashion conflict in development environment. Instead of just trying random fixes, I systematically researched the documentation and community forums, like all the documentations. I eventually identified that a specific SDK toolchain was outdated. I documented the fix peers so that if they run into same issue, they wouldn't lose it. Uh, the fifth question is, why should we hire you? I'm not too sure about this because I'm an internship. I'm doesn't have any experience. But yeah, you should hire me because I offer a blend of technical curiosity and proven track record of finishing what I start. I don't just write code. I understand the business logic behind it. I'm ready to contribute to your code base from day one, and I'm eager to learn your team specific workflows. Sixth question is, how do you handle stress and pressure? Uh, I handle pressure by breaking down large, intimidating tasks into smaller, manageable tickets. When a deadline is tight, I prioritize the must-have features first. Must-have features first. This keep me focused on the logic of the solution rather than the stress of of the clock. The seventh question is, where do you see yourself in 5 year? 5 years. In 5 years, I see myself as a senior software engineer. I hope to have mastered full stack development to the point where I can lead project architecture and mentor junior developers, helping them navigate the same technical challenges I'm learning to solve today. Uh, I, I think that's all the question from my teacher, and I'll add some question and also the answer to add a little bit of duration time. So yeah, that question is, what is your favorite programming language and why? Currently, my favorite is Dart because how it powers Flutter. I love the hot reload features, which allow for fast iteration, and where the widget system makes building complex UIs feels very intuitive. However, I also appreciate PHP because of the robust ecosystem provided by Laravel, which makes better back-end development very structured and secure. The ninth question is, how do you stay up to date with the new technology? The tech world move fast, so I make it a habit to follow industry standard blocks and platform like decoding for structured learning, and also check the documentation. Also spend time on GitHub looking at open source project to see how professional developers structure their code and handle new update in framework like Node.js or AWS services. And this is quite a intimate question for software developer is, do you prefer working alone or in a team? Actually, I enjoy both, but I believe the best software is built in teams. Working alone might allows me to focus deeply on complex logic, but working in a team is where I learned the most through peer code reviews and brainstorming. In my school projects, I found that clear communication is the key to make sure everyone's code integrated smoothly. The last question is, while I have a solid foundation in mobile and web development, sorry, what is technical skill you want to learn next? I guess while I have a solid foundation in mobile and web development, I'm very interested diving into diving deeper into cloud infrastructure, specifically more advanced on AWS services. I want to understand not just how to build an app, but how to scale it globally using efficient development pipelines. Yeah, I guess that's all from myself. Reminder, this is an school assignment or a real job interview, so you need to make sure that it matches your job, not a school assignment when you're doing a job interview. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.